A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. And the time came for them to seek their fortunes and build their houses. The first little pig built his house of straw, while the middle brother decided to build a house of sticks. They were done with building their houses very quickly and without much hard work. The third pig, who was oldest amongst them, decided to build a house of bricks. He did not mind doing some hard work, because he wanted a strong house, as he knew that in the woods nearby there was a wolf who liked to catch little pigs and eat them up. When the 3 houses were finished, they sang and danced happily the whole day. After enjoying a lot, just as the first pig reached his door, a big bad wolf popped up from the woods. The little pig got scared and quickly hid in his house made of straws. The big bad wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house down in a minute. Seeing this, the little pig ran to his middle brother's house, made of sticks. The wolf now came to this house and huffed and puffed and blew the house down. Now, both the terrified pigs ran to their oldest brother's house, which was made of bricks. The big bad wolf tried to huff and puff and blow the third house down, but he could not. He kept trying for hours, but the house was very strong, and all the 3 pigs were safe inside. He tried to enter through the chimney, but the third pig boiled a big pot of water and kept it below the chimney. The wolf fell into it and died. The 2 young pigs felt sorry for being so lazy while building the houses. They also built their houses with bricks. All the 3 little pigs lived happily ever after. Moral: hard work always pays off.